So let us go for what here some of the problems. Okay, compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulomb. 96,000 coulomb means Q is given. So the charge is given. Charge is nothing but a 96,000 coulomb is given. In 1 hour, the time is taken as what here? 1 hour. 1 hour we can convert into what here seconds. That is equal to 60 into 60. That is equal to 3,600 what here? Seconds. Okay. Now, what is the potential difference here? Through potential difference of 50 volts. Potential difference, that is V is given as what here? 15 volts. So this is the thing is given. So I want to know about the current which is flowing through this. What is the current here? I is equal to the rate of flow of what here? Charge. Q by T. Therefore, I is equal to, what is the Q here? 96,000 divided by what is this? 3,600. So therefore, we will get 960 divided by 36. Its amount to be here. What we will get is 26.67. Okay, 26.666 we will get. So just we can consider as what here? 26.67, that is ampere. Okay. So now what to find out here? So heat generated. So we already studied about what is the heat generated here. The H is equal to heat generated. H is equal to V into I into what is that? That is T. So time we know V is nothing but how much here? 50 volts. That is 50 volts. Current is nothing but 26.67 into the time is 1 hour. That is 3,600. So H, that is heat energy, is produced is, on multiplying this thing we will get a huge number. So that is 4.8 into 10 to the power of what here? 6. What is the unit of this? Joules. So this is what we will get done in the first one. Okay. So let us go for the second problem here. Okay. An electron, an electric iron of resistance. How much of resistance? R is given. R is equal to 20 ohm. Takes a current. Current is given. That is I is equal to 5 amperes. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. Heat developed we refer to calculate, and 30 seconds is nothing but about here time taken for us. Okay. So it is a very simple formula we can able to use here. So that is nothing but a H here. First we require to find out V. V is not there. So therefore V is equal to I into R. I into R. So therefore V is equal to I means 5 into 20. That is thing but about here 100. What is this? Volt. Okay. Now V we got, T it is also there, and another one is I is also there. So which formula we have to use? H is equal to V into I into what is that? So T. So therefore V is 100 into I is how much? 5 into time is 30 seconds. So just to multiply, and you will get the answer is so 1.5 into 10 to the power of 4 joules. 1.5 into 10 to the power of what is that? 4 joules. 1, 2, 3. So this is the answer for this. Let us go for the other problem. An electric motor takes 5 amps. 5 amps means what here? The current. The current is nothing but about 5 amps from a 220 volt. Means V is given 220 volt line. Determine the power and also what is that? Energy. We require to find out the power here and also energy, that is, let us call P, consumed in how many hours? That is 2 hours. 2 hours is converted into 2 into 60 into what is that? 60. So we have to convert that into what here? Seconds. So it amounts to be 36 to 72. It means that 7,200 seconds. So 7,200 seconds it will be. So therefore the first we require to find out what? So power. P is equal to, we already know that V into what is that? I. What is P? V is nothing but, so here it is 220 into I is 5. So just multiply this one. So what you will get? 0, so 0. So that is 1111 here. So this is value. Okay. Now let us pause on to energy consumed. How much of energy is consumed here? Energy. So energy is always given like this. So you already know that energy E is equal to P into the P is nothing but a what here? V square divided by what is that? R into what? The T. V square by R is nothing but what here? The P into T. P means what? Power. So you please see, you please check the other thing. Okay, P is given as V square by R. So therefore, this is the formula we have. So energy is equal to power into what is that? Time. What is the power is given here? 1100. What is the time is given? 7200. So just to multiply this one, you will get one huge number. So that is equal to 7.92 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. Please keep it in a scientific notation. 7.92 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. So for the another problem here. Okay. So a copper wire has a diameter. So copper wire diameter is 0.5 millimeters. So I written as a 0.5 millimeters the diameter. And what about the radius of this? Radius becomes a what here? Because I want a radius of this 0.5 divided by 2. It means it gives rise to 0.25. I am converting it into meter. 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. So this is how we can able to convert 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. And rho is nothing but resistivity is given. Resistivity is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm meter. And resistance is given as what here? 10 ohm. So what he is asking, the length he is asking, length of this wire, make its resistance is equal to what here? 10 ohm. You already know that, okay. So R is equal to, resistance is equal to rho L divided by what is that? A. Okay. Rho means what here? Resistivity. So therefore I want to know about L. So derive the formula for L. L is equal to, what happens? RA divided by what is that? Rho it will become. RA divided by what is that? Rho. So let us substitute for this. What is the area of cross section? Area is always given by in terms of radius I am giving. In terms of diameter also you can able to do. Okay, but I am taking a radius. Okay, A is nothing but what here? Pi R square divided by what is that? Rho. L is equal to what is the R? R is nothing but 10 into 3.14 into R is given as what here? 0.25 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square whole divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Okay. On dividing these things, okay, I am calculating this thing. So what you will get? L is equal to, so I had already calculated this thing. So I will just keep the answer for this one. So it is amounts to be 122.972. So that is meters. So this is the thing you have to calculate. Now the second part of the question is like this. Okay. Second part of the question is like, how does the resistance or change if diameter is doubled? Let us consider here is I double the diameter. First diameter is 0.5 and doubling that one is 2 into 0.5 is nothing but 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is divided by 2 is once again I am getting what here 0.5. 0.5 into 10 to the power of what here 3 meter. I am just converting this. So I want a new water resistance. That is why I call it as a what here R dash. So therefore, let us consider this thing, okay, here. R dash is equal to new resistance is equal to rho into L divided by what is that? A. So therefore, substitute all the values here. So what the value I am getting here? So R is equal to, rho is nothing but 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into, what is its length here? Length is given as what here? Here already we have identified, that is 122.72 divided by area of cross section is pi r square. This is nothing but a what here? Pi r square. So what is the pi value? 3.14 and the r value we have to put. Okay, that is 0.5 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. On calculating these things, okay, the new resistance, that is R dash, okay, we just calculate this one. Minus 8, here is what? Yeah, 3 2s, it will become 6. Minus 8 and also minus 6 is here, okay. I'm simplifying these things, so you will get what here? 2.49 you will get, okay, 2.499 something you will get. So approximately we will get about here 2.5. This is called as a new resistance of this thing, okay. So these are all the problems, okay. So thank you very much.